Blue zones represent a fascinating concept in the realm of longevity and health, referring to specific regions around the world where people live significantly longer, healthier lives than average. The term blue zones was coined by Dan Buettner, a National Geographic explorer and author who, alongside demographers and researchers, identified these areas through comprehensive demographic data and geographic analysis. These regions, which include places like Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, Icaria in Greece, and Loma Linda in California, are notable for their high concentrations of centenarians and remarkable rates of longevity. The study of blue zones offers invaluable insights into the lifestyle, diet, and social structures that contribute to extended lifespan and reduced incidence of chronic diseases. Beyond the allure of discovering the secrets to a longer life, understanding blue zones challenges common perceptions about aging and health, suggesting that longevity is not solely determined by genetics, but significantly influenced by lifestyle choices and community. As such, the blue zones concept has sparked a global interest in adopting lifestyle changes that promote health, happiness, and well-being, making it a subject of both academic and popular fascination. Okinawa, Japan. This island is renowned for its high number of centenarians and a strong emphasis on a vegetable-based diet, regular physical activity, and deep social connections. Watch to the end to discover the one food that research shows has more impact on longevity than any other. Also, make sure you check out the links in the description for our most popular recommendations for natural weight loss, detoxing, lowering blood sugar, reducing stress, boosting memory, and boosting energy levels. Okinawans practice hara-hachi-bu, eating until they are 80% full, and maintain a strong community focus that supports mental and emotional health. Sardinia, Italy. Particularly in the mountainous region of Nuoro, Sardinia boasts a high ratio of male centenarians. The diet here leans heavily on whole grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits, with a moderate consumption of wine. The strong sense of family and community plays a crucial role in the longevity of its inhabitants. Nicoya Peninsula, Costa Rica. This region is noted for its residents' strong work ethic, deep social networks, and a diet rich in fruits and legumes. Nicoyans benefit from a physical lifestyle that naturally incorporates daily exercise, and have a cultural attitude toward aging that helps them maintain a positive outlook on life. Icaria, Greece. Dubbed the island of long life, Icarians enjoy a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil, red wine, and homegrown vegetables. The slow-paced lifestyle, afternoon naps, and strong community bonds are integral to their longevity. Loma Linda, California, USA. This area stands out for its high population of Seventh-day Adventists who follow strict dietary guidelines, abstain from smoking and alcohol, and prioritize Sabbath rest. Their lifestyle includes vegetarianism and an active routine, contributing to their extended lifespan. Himalayan villages, Bhutan. In the serene and elevated landscapes of the Himalayas in Bhutan, villagers lead a life deeply intertwined with nature and spirituality. Their diet, predominantly plant-based, includes a variety of grains, tubers, and Himalayan herbs known for their medicinal properties. Physical activity is naturally integrated into their daily lives through farming and walking in the mountainous terrain. Moreover, Bhutan's emphasis on gross national happiness over GDP as a measure of progress fosters a community-oriented lifestyle and mental well-being, potentially contributing to longevity. Andean communities, Ecuador. In certain high-altitude Andean communities, the combination of a physically active lifestyle due to farming and the consumption of a diet rich in potatoes, quinoa, and fresh vegetables could hypothetically qualify this region as a blue zone. The strong community bonds and traditional knowledge of natural medicine complement their physical health, leading to lower rates of modern diseases and extended lifespans. Caucasus Mountains, Georgia. The Caucasus region, particularly in Georgia, is renowned for its dietary staples that include fermented foods, dairy products like kefir, and a variety of nuts and beans, contributing to gut health and longevity. The region's tradition of winemaking, using unique grape varieties, adds to their moderate alcohol consumption. Additionally, the social fabric of these communities is tight-knit, with a strong emphasis on family and community gatherings, which can enhance mental and emotional health. While the last three regions on that list are not officially recognized as blue zones, their hypothetical inclusion highlights the universal principles of diet, exercise, social connectivity, and a sense of purpose that are believed to contribute to longevity. These examples underscore the potential for diverse cultures and environments to foster health and well-being, extending the blue zones concept beyond its original identifications. The remarkable longevity of individuals in blue zones can largely be attributed to their lifestyle characteristics, which have been meticulously studied and identified as key factors in promoting health and extending life expectancy. These lifestyle traits, common across all blue zones, offer a blueprint for well-being that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. Diet. Central to the blue zone lifestyle is a plant-based diet, with a heavy emphasis on legumes, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Meat is consumed sparingly, often just a few times per month, and fish is eaten in moderate quantities. This dietary pattern is rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, contributing to lower rates of chronic diseases and supporting longer lifespans. Physical activity. Instead of structured exercise, blue zone inhabitants incorporate natural movement into their daily routines. This includes walking, gardening, and performing household chores without mechanical conveniences, ensuring a constant level of physical activity that maintains fitness and vitality. Social engagement. Strong social networks and a sense of belonging are pivotal in blue zones. Communities celebrate and support each other through all phases of life, fostering emotional well-being and resilience against stress and depression. Stress management. Techniques for stress reduction are deeply embedded in blue zone cultures. Whether through siesta, meditation, or socializing with loved ones, finding time to relax and decompress is a priority, directly impacting cardiovascular health and overall longevity. Purpose. Having a clear sense of purpose or reason to wake up in the morning is another hallmark of blue zone residents. This sense of purpose can add up to 7 years to one's life expectancy, illustrating the powerful interplay between mental and physical health. These lifestyle characteristics not only delineate a path to longevity, but also emphasize the importance of a holistic approach to health that integrates diet, physical activity, social connections, and mental well-being. The health and longevity outcomes observed in blue zones are a testament to the profound impact that lifestyle and environmental factors can have on human lifespan and wellness. Residents of these areas exhibit remarkably low rates of chronic diseases such as heart disease, obesity, cancer, and diabetes, conditions that are prevalent in many parts of the modern world. The key to these extraordinary health outcomes lies in the unique lifestyle practices prevalent across the blue zones. Reduced chronic diseases. The dietary habits in blue zones, low in processed foods and high in plant-based nutrients, are directly linked to reduced incidences of heart disease and diabetes. The natural whole food-based diet, along with moderate alcohol consumption, particularly red wine in moderation as seen in Sardinia and Icaria, contributes to heart health and lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease. These communities are characterized by a higher proportion of centenarians, people who live 2 or beyond 100 years, than anywhere else in the world. Mental health benefits. The emphasis on community and belonging, along with the practice of stress-reducing techniques, supports not only physical health, but mental and emotional well-being. Lower rates of mental health issues, such as depression and anxiety, are observed, which are integral components of overall health. Cognitive function. In addition to physical health and longevity, residents of blue zones tend to maintain their cognitive function well into old age. Non-blue zone communities have seen reductions in obesity rates, increased community engagement, and improved overall health markers following the adoption of blue zone initiatives. These successes underscore the importance of community involvement, policy support, and adaptability to local contexts in translating the blue zone model to different settings. While directly replicating blue zone's outcomes in other areas is complex, The principles underlying their lifestyles offer valuable lessons in promoting health and longevity. Before you discover the one food that research shows has more impact on longevity than any other, make sure you check out the links in the description for our most popular recommendations for natural weight loss, detoxing, reducing stress, lowering blood sugar, improving memory, joint pain, and boosting energy levels. As promised, here is the video on the #1 food for longevity above.